Halacha number 9. One may not use sefer for the personal benefit. For example, to stand it up in order to shield himself from the sun, or in order to prevent another individual from seeing what he is doing. So okay, so let's see what we are saying. So if a person is sitting, I don't know, in a room, and there is sun shining from the window, so he cannot go like this, right? To cover to shield himself from the sun. So it's disrespect to the sefer, right? Sun, or in order to prevent other individual from seeing him. So he tried to hide somebody, and he hid behind the sefer. However, the sun is shining above the sefer, from which he is studying. Okay, that's a different story. He's permitted to shield his eyes from the glare with another sefer, as he is not acting for personal benefit. So now, he's reading from the sefer, the sun is shining, so he cannot see. So now he'll hold like this and learn from another sefer. So in this case, it's not a disrespect. That's I mean, it would be proper to take something else, some other article, not a sefer. All right, but if there is no other article, so he can take a sefer commentary. Here he's studying is being impeded by the shining sun, and he's using the first sefer to block the glare so that he can read the second sefer. This is not deemed a personal benefit and may be done with a sefer. So in this case, as we said, there is no disrespect. He's just doing for learning Torah. Similarly, placing sefer beneath the sefer from which he is studying, in order to elevate the sefer he is studying, for the purpose of facilitating his study, could be permitted. Okay, so basically, what are we saying? Okay, so I have one book, and I put another book like this, so I have this inclination. So that's good, incline, right? There is no problem. Okay, just 1 second. Sign experiment. However, one should not make a place in sefer. Should not place a sefer in another sefer as a bookmark, in order that he will not have to search at the later time for the place of studying. Okay, so that's disrespect. 23 commentary. Unlike the previous situation where the sefer was being used to assist him during the actual study, here he's using the sefer to make it simpler to resume his studies in a later time. This is considered personal benefit for which one may not derive. So if he's going to put like this, this sefer, right, and he puts another this sefer and holds and leave it like that. So the next time he went, I don't know, he went outside, talk to the friends. So it's going to be disrespect to this sefer that is being used as a bookmark. And it's as they call it as personal benefit. Yes.
I got stuck with the disposal of holy text. What about digital files? I read something about it, but I don't have a definitive answer to that.
Okay, so I would say what I do, I put them in an Agniza. Same place that where I put these papers.
But
technically, there are opinions when you can throw them in the garbage. Just so you know, technically, there is no problem. Me personally, I don't.
And what about if you have videos of shurim?
Exactly. So that's since they're not visible. You understand? So there is a linear opinion, but they say they can be thrown in the garbage.
So you can delete it from the disk?
You can delete from the disk. That's yeah. Not everybody agree. I'm trying to be like for example, you have that's what I do all the time, right? We work with files. We add what is it, the subtitles, and I have this format, so I download from YouTube, and then we convert to this. To this format, that format, and all of the original download I would delete. I cannot have so many files. You understand?
Yes, I was talking exactly about
yes,
that.
yeah. I mean, there is no other way. Yeah, you're allowed to do it.
Oh.
Okay. All right. So continue. Okay. One should not etch lines into a blank notebook while it is resting on a sefer. As notebook has no holiness until it has the written Torah thoughts into it. Similarly, one should not place the paper or the like on a sefer for the safekeeping. Okay, 24. Let's see the commentary and they explain. Similarly, one should not use the blank pages or margins of the sefer to make mathematical calculation or trying out new pen. So so you have these margins, right? There is this white space, so you cannot try your new pen or write things not connected to whatever it says on the page or your Torah thoughts. Torah thoughts, there is no problem. You can write there, or your own comments, right? So to put sometimes you cannot write. For example, you want to write something on a piece of paper. But if you put it on your desk, on your table, right, when it's hardwood, so it's hard to write. So usually you need to put something underneath. So you cannot put it on top of the sefer because it is disrespect. Okay.